So I won a giveaway from the Lit Crew on Instagram. I will put their Instagram below, but I'm going to open it. So here's the first box. Oh, hopefully my ad doesn't show. Oops. Let's see what I got in my box. Oh, what size is this? A small hoodie. You know, I love hoodies. It looks pretty big. I'm gonna try it on tomorrow, not right now, because like I said in the other video, I did take a shower. It looks big for a small, but you know, I mean, there's a little snug right here, a few pulls, but I got this hoodie. Some sweatpants. Oh, you know, your girl loves sweats. They look super comfy. Some sweatpants. A Visa gift card. Oh, I need to check these. There's a little pull. Oh, there's like a pocket in the back. That's pretty cool, and it snaps. Got a shirt, so pretty much a whole set. Then this package came from me too. I'm actually, oh, it's red. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. I'm actually missing an item, so I got a hoodie, a shirt, sweats, and this backpack from the Lit Crew. But I was supposed to get my phone case, so I didn't receive the phone case, so now I will hit them up. But I want to say thank you, and I truly appreciate you having a giveaway and you picking me as the winner. I will definitely let you know how everything fits. That will be at the end of this video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you guys ever want a giveaway. So I'm back on this giveaway journey. So thank you so much, Lit Crew. And I will post their Instagram below, so if you want to check them out, feel free to hit them up.